Hello students, welcome to my channel English with Terry. In today's lesson, I want to know, are you making this mistake with gonna? In your speaking, the number one mistake I hear with students in the speaking. Let's go. Let's take a moment to understand gonna. We have the word gonna, which is a contraction of going and to. It's the first idea. But we must always remember that gonna is going to and then the verb. So for example, I'm going to do it tomorrow. We say I'm gonna do it tomorrow, okay? But that's not the number one mistake. Now, the important thing also to remember is that with the verb to be, with going to, we have to be, going to, and verb. And generally, going to will contract to gonna. What's important here is to know that we have the verb to be and that we can contract the verb to be, make it very small, and not all students really understand this pronunciation very, very well, because the number one mistake with gonna that I hear with students all the time is they forget the full verb to be. I hear students like I gonna, she gonna, we gonna. This is the number one mistake with gonna. With the verb to be, you need to have a very, very clear I'm, okay? It's very strong. I'm gonna. Never I gonna. I'm gonna. You are, you're, same as the possession you're, same pronunciation, you're. He is, he's, one syllable, he's gonna. So are you practicing with me or just watching the video? He's gonna, she's gonna, we're, and there. Okay, that is the fundamental biggest mistake I see with gonna in all students, even really advanced students. I gonna, we gonna. No, you must have the verb to be very, very clear. I'm, you're, he's, she's, we're, there. Got it? That's the number one mistake with gonna. So if you look here at two phrases, I'm gonna go there tomorrow, we're gonna have time tomorrow. The most common mistake I see is people saying I gonna or we gonna. So be very careful not to make that mistake with gonna in your speaking, okay? Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. I'm really happy that you made it to the end of the video. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe for more grammar, fluency, and pronunciation tips from my channel. And of course, click like and share with your friends if you think it's cool and you want them to see it too. And it also helps me grow on YouTube on this platform. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.